I've only been walking for like 2 minutes and they're already barking at me, doing ball drops. Hey guys, welcome back. We are kicking off another vlog today. So I'm in the gym. I just finished my workout. I told you the other day that I was really wanting to do at least like 2 miles every day. Well, exactly 2 miles every day was kind of my goal. Today I pushed it to 3 miles. Look at me, an overachiever. Just a few months ago, I was doing 5 miles every day, and yeah, that's probably more so how you start, at least hitting a few of your goals. 2 miles isn't gonna do much for me. However, I just haven't been doing much moving at all. I feel good about it, and yeah, I just thought I would kick off this video and let you guys know that I'm being consistent, I'm sticking with it, and I'm feeling good about that. So I've been using this giant iMac. It's my parents', because my computer is like not working. I'm not having it. And so I'm trying to figure out what type of computer I want to buy next. And so they are letting me use this in the meantime, but it's also kind of serving as like a test drive to see if I want to get a desktop. So I was thinking about buying a new computer because my laptop has just been having all kinds of issues, is constantly crashing, just everything takes forever. And I wasn't sure what type I wanted to get. And my parents have been trying to convince me to get a desktop for a period of time. They transitioned to desktops a while ago, and they were saying like they're just so much faster and they just work better overall. The screen's bigger, easier to see, all that jazz. And I just wasn't really about it. So my parents are out of town right now, and so they told me that I should go pick up one of their iMacs, keep that for a couple months, feel it out, get used to it, and see if you like it. And basically, yeah, it's changed my life. So basically, this computer, well, first off, it's been a struggle fest because I haven't used a mouse in years. And so working with a mouse has been very challenging and frustrating. And then also having to like look up. I'm used to looking down at a laptop. So the looking up aspect feels really weird. I'm sure it's much better for my back, but I'm not used to that. And then having everything be so like big is very strange. So that I haven't really been loving, but the efficiency of this and how quickly it works is crazy. Like exporting a video used to take a couple hours. On this computer, it takes 23 minutes. Uploading a video to YouTube would take like 12 hours, sometimes up to 48 hours. It was sometimes timing out because it was just taking so long. On this computer, it takes under an hour, like 30 to 40 minutes. And that's crazy. So I am gonna give this some more time, see if I can get used to the mouse situation and like the looking up versus looking down, because I think I might end up getting an iMac. So just a few minutes ago, I was sitting on the couch and I remembered randomly that I never went back to that film store or the camera store and picked up like the film negatives from all those rolls of family pictures that I found. So back in January, I found a bunch of undeveloped rolls of film at my parents' house, and I went and took it to get it developed, but I got digitized. So they just sent me the photos by email, and they only keep the physical like negatives for I think like 60 or 90 days or something like that. And I'm coming up on that. And I never went and picked them up. And so I don't want them to recycle them. I want to keep the negatives in case we ever want to get them printed and stuff. Or we lose the little, thumb drives and stuff. Anyway, so I called them and they do have them. And so like, you need to come pick them up like pretty much immediately. So I am on my way now. I was like, say no more. I am en route. Like, please don't throw them away. So now I'm on my way to go get those. Can't believe I forgot about them for like 2.5 months. We have arrived. So I picked up all of my film negatives. I'm assuming they just kind of took them out and laid them out flat. So I've got everything in here. And then apparently one of the rolls that I brought was found to be empty or blank. So now I have basically like a free credit to get one developed because you have to prepay for everything. So I'm just gonna keep that in there. I'm getting really hungry, so I'm boiling some eggs and I'm going to make an egg salad sandwich. So at the grocery store, I picked up some sourdough bread, and the San Luis sourdough is like my favorite. I've got the ice bath waiting and just 1 more minute of cooking the eggs. And while I wait, I have decided that I'm going to continue watching Gilmore Girls. So Darren is coming home tonight now. He was supposed to come home tomorrow. However, the meeting that was happening tomorrow and was the only reason he was staying an extra day just got canceled. So he decided to basically go to the airport and fly home. So he's on his way to the airport probably right about now. He's gonna be landing in about 3 hours. So I was gonna try to wait and eat with him. However, we're not gonna get home till like 9 p.m. and that's just gonna be too late. So I'm eating now. And then I'm just gonna bring him food when I come pick him up. So I gave him a few options and he has picked Taco Bell. So I'm gonna go pick up Taco Bell and bring that to the airport when I get him. So I'm very excited to see him tonight. Very excited, also excited to finally get a good night rest because I sleep so poorly when he's gone. So tonight is going to be fantastic. My day is turning around. And yeah, I'm very excited.
Imagine anyone seeing you as a disappointment.
I bet you'd buy a Barbie for your daughter.
I have made it to the promised land. It has been at least 6 or 10 months or something crazy since the last time I was here. It's good to be back. Here we are, ready to pick him up. We've got quite a long line here. It appears the Taco Bell and I got here just a little too quickly. Darren is on the tram right now and all the cars are lining up behind me. So hopefully I can wait it out here and they don't kick me out.
Guys! Hi guys! Guys! Oh my!
And I'm on my way to my waxing appointment. So I do get laser hair removal for majority of my body, but then for like the back of my neck, I get that wax. Basically, I get my back hairline lined up. Yes, I have long hair. No one ever sees it, but I know it's there and it drives me crazy because it is just like completely uneven. My back hairline is like, I don't know, it's bumpier than the Rocky Mountains, guys. So I just get it lined up because it makes me feel better. So I am on my way on a 30-minute drive to a different city to go get my hairline fixed. So that's how we're kicking off today. It is supposed to be raining right now. The skies are all white and gloomy, and I'm really hoping that I can get home before the heavy rain starts, because when it's been raining recently, it has been so crazy that like even going 30 miles per hour, the rain is just coming down in sheets and I still can't see. You can see like maybe 3 feet in front of you. It's like driving blind and it's very frightening. So I'm really hoping that I can get there and back all before that happens. So that is the plan, but I'm getting out and about today, and so I thought that I would, oh no, it's starting to sparkle! No! Okay, we're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine, guys. We're gonna be fine. I just got here, and you guys, I am 6 minutes early. Okay, I am always sprinting to get here on time. Or sprinting for my car. And now, oh, there we go. I got here so early. She is still with the previous client. Like, I have never been this punctual. I feel great. So I just finished, and you guys, talk about inflation. Well, first off, I feel great having that done. I ended up getting my sides done too. So when I first started coming to her like 3 years ago, it was like $8 for sides, $8 for the neck. And then after a few months, it was $10, and then it was $12. And then when I came in December, it was $15. And now it was $20 a service, which is crazy. I mean, in 3 years, we went from 8 to 20. So, I mean, it's still worth it to me, but I was just like, wow, that is a significant increase. And then it brought me back to this morning when I got this like news notification on my phone that was talking about inflation and how in the past 3 years, inflation has increased prices by 100%. And then it was also saying like childcare has inflated 400% in the past 3 years, which is crazy. I mean, it doesn't, of course, directly affect me because I don't have kids, but like still, that's insane. Like, how do people work? But anyway, so the pricing just like reminded me of that. And I was like, wow, what a crazy world we live in right now. Just made some lunch. I heated up this dish that we made from the Half-Baked Harvest Cookbook. It's wild rice and mixed wild mushrooms, and then obviously some other ingredients, but it's really good. And then I'm working on editing the video.
I handle it to the best of my ability. Could I have done things certainly differently? 100%.
But you can't do it to the best of your ability.
If I have
What does that mean, man?
the best thing.
So I'm about to make breakfast and I got out all of the ingredients and I was looking at it and realizing what a weird combination this looks like. So here's a little quiz for you guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think I'm making. Everything is pretty self-explanatory except this is a balsamic glaze and this is slices of mozzarella cheese. So let me know what you think I'm making and then the next clip will be the meal and let's see if you're right. Okay, let's see if any of you guys are right. So I made hash browns. And then I did a caprese avocado toast. So sourdough, a little bit of butter, avocado, tomato, mozzarella cheese, eggs, and then balsamic glaze on top. I know this sounds probably very repulsive, but it is so freaking good. So, you know, don't hate it till you try it. Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day. So yesterday we ended up deep cleaning the entire house. It looks great, it feels great, that really needed to happen. And then I got all my tax stuff together because I have a tax appointment coming up next week. And then we were doing some research and looking into some house changes and things that we are doing the upcoming months. So just getting all of that stuff together. So yesterday was definitely a very computer heavy day. And yeah, I just didn't vlog it. So today I am bringing you guys along for just a little bit before we end off the video. So right now I'm on my way to the grocery store because I did go grocery shopping a couple days ago and we still do have plenty of food. However, tonight we have, or in about an hour, we have a house guest coming. And it's one of Darren's friends and they're gonna go out to lunch and such, but then dinner we're making at home. So I had planned to make chicken piccata, got all of the ingredients, and then Darren was talking to him today and mentioned the chicken piccata, and turns out he actually greatly dislikes chicken piccata. So I had to come up with some other options, and he does like chicken marsala. So we are now making chicken marsala instead. So I need to go to the grocery store, get some green onion, mushrooms, some more marsala, wine, and yeah, that's the plan. So there are a couple other things I was gonna get from the store that, you know, I plan to get next grocery shopping trip, but why not get it now? I found everything I needed, so we are off to the register. Also realized other things that I forgot about. So we have everything now. We just finished doing a little touch up to our cleaning and the house looks beautiful. It's been like a week or two since we have had fresh flowers. So I'm loving that. We have our little scent diffuser going, and usually I have two of these bad boys going. So I have one here and then the other one, which I just kind of keep in a cabinet, I will set out right here on the corner of the counter before we have guests come. However, unfortunately, the second one is dead right now. So I'm charging that up. They should be here in about 15 minutes. So in about 5 or 10 minutes, I'm going to unplug this and just use the bit of juice that it has to diffuse in the house. But everything looks wonderful. We have the peaceful music playing. We're ready to rock and roll. So they are going to be here in just a few minutes, and then they're also bringing, I guess, another friend. So they're gonna be 2 people here, and I'm not gonna vlog while they're here. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe below, gives you a big thumbs up, and don't forget to tune in just a couple days for another new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.